Wudu, the ritual ablution in Islam, is a fundamental act of worship. It is not just a physical cleansing, it is a spiritual purification. Muslims perform wudu before their daily prayers or salah. It is a prerequisite for the validity of salah. Without proper wudu, prayers are not accepted. Wudu involves washing specific parts of the body, including the hands, mouth, nostrils, face, arms, head, and feet. This act symbolizes purity and readiness to stand before Allah. The Quran mentions wudu in Surah Al-Ma'idah chapter 5 verse 6, emphasizing its significance. By performing wudu, Muslims prepare themselves to connect with Allah. It helps them focus and attain a state of humility. This practice also reflects the importance of cleanliness in Islam. Every part of the body washed during wudu is cleansed of sins. Despite its importance, many people overlook the proper method of wudu. Small mistakes can lead to significant consequences. Understanding these mistakes is crucial for every Muslim. Many Muslims unknowingly make mistakes during wudu. These mistakes can invalidate the entire process. One common error is washing the face or arms haphazardly. Sometimes people miss parts of their face or leave dry spots on their arms. Another mistake is being too quick, not allowing water to reach all required areas. Some people forget to wash their feet properly. They may just splash water on their feet instead of ensuring every part is cleaned. Another frequent mistake is not performing the steps in the correct order. Doing steps out of sequence can render the wudu invalid. However, one of the most critical mistakes is neglecting to wash between the toes. This may seem trivial, but it can have severe consequences. Many overlook this step due to haste or lack of awareness. Not washing between the toes means the wudu is incomplete. Such mistakes might appear minor, but they are significant. Each step of wudu has a purpose and must be performed accurately. Neglecting any part means the ritual is not done correctly. Washing between the toes is a vital part of wudu. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, emphasized the importance of thoroughness in wudu. Neglecting to wash between the toes is a common but serious mistake. Many people are unaware of its significance. When washing the feet, it is essential to ensure water reaches between each toe. This act symbolizes thorough cleansing. Failing to do so means parts of the body remain unclean. This mistake can invalidate the wudu and consequently the prayers performed with it. This error is often made out of haste. People rush through wudu, not taking the time to wash each part properly. Some believe merely pouring water over the feet is sufficient. However, proper wudu requires attention to detail. The repercussions of this mistake are profound. It affects the purity of the individual and their connection with Allah. Understanding and correcting this mistake is essential for every Muslim. The consequence of a mistake in wudu. A mistake in wudu has serious consequences. It directly affects the validity of salah. Incorrect wudu disrupts purity and undermines the prayer. The Prophet Muhammad said, "The key to paradise is salah, and the key to salah is wudu." This highlights the importance of wudu in the acceptance of prayers. Proper wudu is a sign of respect and devotion to Allah. Section 5. Islamic teachings on proper wudu. Islamic teachings provide clear guidance on how to perform wudu correctly. The Quran in Surah Al-Ma'idah chapter 5 verse 6 outlines the steps of wudu. It emphasizes washing the hands, face, arms, head, and feet. The hadiths further elaborate on the importance of thoroughness in wudu. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, demonstrated the correct method of wudu. He stressed the importance of washing each part thoroughly. One hadith states, "Complete your wudu for the heels will be in hellfire," Sahih Bukhari. This underscores the significance of thoroughness, including washing between the toes. Scholars also emphasize the need for correct wudu. They teach that every step should be performed with care. Neglecting any part can invalidate wudu and the prayers that follow. This is why it is essential to learn and follow the proper method. By adhering to Islamic teachings, Muslims can ensure their wudu is valid. This guarantees that their prayers are accepted. It also fosters a deeper connection with Allah and enhances their spiritual state. Section 6. Conclusion: ensuring correct practice for spiritual well-being. In conclusion, wudu is a crucial aspect of Islamic worship. It is not merely a physical act, but a spiritual one. Performing wudu correctly is essential for the validity of prayers. Common mistakes, like neglecting to wash between the toes, can have serious consequences. This mistake can invalidate the entire wudu. As a result, the prayers performed with such wudu may not be accepted. Islamic teachings emphasize thoroughness and accuracy in wudu. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and scholars highlight the importance of every step. Muslims must be diligent in their wudu. They should take the time to ensure every part is washed correctly. This demonstrates respect and devotion to Allah. Proper wudu enhances spiritual purity and strengthens the connection with Allah. By ensuring correct practice, Muslims can fulfill their religious obligations. This leads to spiritual well-being and a deeper sense of fulfillment. It is a reminder that every detail in worship matters.